Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen out of spaghetti. Boil thin spaghetti in heavily salted water until just al dente, then drain but keep 1 cup of pasta water. Gently rinse briefly to remove excess starch if you want a clearer broth. Prepare a simple broth using soy sauce, miso, or bouillon, and combine with reserved water to reach your desired taste and consistency. Build depth quickly by layering flavors rather than overcooking. Start with a good quality broth, then whisk in miso or soy sauce for umami. A small dash of sesame oil adds aroma, while rice vinegar brightens the bowl. If you want more body without long simmering, dissolve a little bouillon paste into warm reserved pasta water. Taste as you go so the broth complements, not overwhelms, your spaghetti noodles. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more quick kitchen hacks. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker lets you set multiple timers, play music, and follow recipes hands-free while you cook. It brightens the vibe and keeps your hands on the noodles, not the phone. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Toppings transform spaghetti into an honest ramen experience. Add a soft boiled egg for richness and a silky yolk, plus scallions and bean sprouts for crunch. Thinly sliced cabbage keeps the bowl light, while a protein like tofu, sliced pork, or leftover chicken makes it satisfying. Finish with chili oil, furicake, or toasted sesame seeds to add pop and aroma. Combine textures intentionally for a balanced, cozy bowl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.